Anyway, something that kind of makes me sad is things like this. This is baby horse. Fettine filetto puledro. And it's steak, but it's not even of an adult horse, it's from a baby horse. Which I think isn't fair. I think if you're gonna kill an animal for meat, you should let it live its whole life and, you know, be happy and free until it has to become food. I feel so, it just makes me sad. I'm crazy maybe, but yeah. The variety of desserts is amazing. You can get full gelatos here. Desserts. That's the strudel we usually get. Strudel. Tartufos. This is called tartufo. This is an ice cream kind of ball, but two types of ice cream inside. They're really good actually. Ice cream cakes. This is a typical Italian dessert too, profiterole. This one has cream inside. Chocolate or vanilla coffee or whatever cream inside. And they have like this kind of profiterole too. Oh, I really like this mille foglie cake. Of course you have the tiramisus.
Strettissimo. Probabilmente avrebbe potuto fare qualcosa in più.
So now I'm in Bire. Look, you can hardly see me. It's blue. And it's kind of like a bar. So they have beer here. They make their own beer here. It's quite special. And kind of Austrian type food. Italian and Austrian mixed kind of food because they have focaccia. They have like pizza-ish kind of stuff, sandwiches. But they also have like sausages and potato stuff, like Austrian kind of stuff. So it's a cheaper kind of place to eat. It's not really a restaurant. It's like bar food, but like European bar food. Anyway, so we came here to eat, and Rico's looking at the menu. I don't know if you can see the menu. Enrico's pretty much done the beer. These are oven roasted potatoes. And this is bratwurst with sauerkraut. I actually love sauerkraut. Mustard and crème. It's like that wasabi-ish kind of stuff. And got some onion rings as well. They have these screens and with MTV. The place is packed and now I know why. It's Verona versus Milan today. There are multiple screens in this place. There's one behind Enrico as well. And the place is really packed here. This is Piazza Osoppo, I think. They have the time and the temperature up there on that building. And I came here for gelato. So I wanted to let you know how my diet's going, and it's going amazing, even though I stopped calorie counting and I just kind of let it go, and I'm just really tired of my weight going up 10 kilograms every winter and down kilograms, and sometimes even more than 10 kilograms. 10 kilograms is about 25 pounds, and I normally gain that every winter holiday season and lose that in the summer by dieting, and not even very extreme dieting, but there are years when I gain more than 10 kilograms, like even 30 kilograms at my highest weight. I had gained 30 kilograms in less than 6 months, and I had lost that even more than that the following 6 months, and that was by extreme dieting. seriously extreme. I don't ever want to go through that again, and I've just been so tired of calorie counting. It's been years. I can look at food and I'm pretty good at guessing how many calories they are because I've been counting calories and paying attention to that for years. So recently what I decided to do was look online and see if I could find something better or just research dieting in general. I discovered HCG, which is a hormone that people have been injecting and with a doctor, and it's a hormone that pregnant women produce naturally and controls hunger. So people have been taking these injections and doing a protocol that Dr. Simeon originally invented, and he's an Italian doctor, and based on his protocol, it's kind of outdated because he did it in 1954, but it's been improved a lot. And so I started researching this HCG diet, which isn't really a diet, and I found The Weight Loss Apocalypse, which is a book written by Robin Woodall, and I found her on YouTube. She has a channel called Weight Loss Apocalypse, and I started watching her videos. So by watching her videos, I learned so much. In the first video that I watched by her on YouTube, she was teaching someone, a patient or someone she works with, because she works with people to help them lose weight, and a lot of these people are taking the hormone as well, but you don't actually have to take it because you can just follow the diet and you won't lose weight as fast, but you'll still lose weight. Anyways, I started following the diet, and I probably won't take the HCG hormone ever, but maybe I will in the future. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I've just been doing it for 2 days, and basically I lost 1 kilogram within 2 days without counting calories and by eating, and I feel quite good. I don't feel deprived or anything, and that's just really amazing to me. Okay, the first video that I saw by her was called How HCG Prevents Starvation During the 500 Calorie Protocol, because with this, they have phases in this diet apparently. I haven't read the book and I don't know so much about it yet, but they have different phases, and one of the phases or types of diets is 500 calories. In this video, I learned about leptin and how leptin controls hunger, and that kind of really revolutionized how I thought about food. Basically, when you're digesting food and when you have fat, the more fat you have, the more leptin your body produces. But when you're digesting food or when you're eating, your body is also producing more leptin. So really, the fat releases leptin that goes to your brain and tells your brain that you have enough leptin, and then your leptin is telling your body, your brain tells your body, I guess, and then your body knows to burn fat and release the fat from the mitochondria stuff. I don't remember what it's called. If you're in biology, maybe you'll know the mitochondria. That's in the cells. Anyway, so then your fat cells start releasing fat or burning fat. Leptin controls hunger. So when you're hungry, you don't have enough leptin in your brain, and so your body thinks you're starving and starts holding on to that fat and using protein and muscle tissue and other things, the glucose in your bloodstream or in your circulatory system to compensate. So the basis of this diet is when you are hungry, you should eat. You have to eat when you're hungry and stop eating when you're not hungry anymore. And then there's a hunger scale to help you control this. And she has other videos where she talks about the hunger scale. So I just started watching that, and I started following the hunger scale and just eating to hunger. And I lost 1 kilogram in 2 days by eating when I'm hungry and stopping when I'm not hungry. Is that amazing or what? That means that there's nothing wrong with my body. And I started to really pay attention to my hunger and to recognize the difference between desire to eat and a kind of hunger that is based on your psychology or emotions or other things, instead of the hunger that's actually real and coming from your stomach that you feel, you know? So there are different kinds of hungers, and a craving is not actual hunger. So I started to really pay attention to that, and I would start eating, but I would, you know, keep thinking, am I hungry still? Am I hungry? Maybe I'm not really hungry anymore. But there's a scale to kind of help you gauge how hungry you are and how hungry you aren't. And you can learn about it in her book and her videos. And so I definitely want to get that book and learn more about the whole thing. But I'm going to explain to you the hunger scale. The hunger scale starts at 1 and goes to 10, and 10's like you're so full you're gonna like die or make yourself sick or something like that. It's really like I don't even know how you could get there. And then 1 is the lowest, where it's like you're so hungry and you haven't eaten and you're fainting and not able to function. 2 is you're so hungry you're gonna kill someone. 3 is you're hungry and you just want to go for that sugar or junk food and you don't care so much. You're not thinking very rationally. So 3.5 is just before 3. It's like when you're going to get to that point. And so you're trying to stay between 3.5 and 5.5. 4 is you're hungry, but you're not hungry enough to not be rational. And you're just hungry, you know. You feel hungry, you're like, I could eat. 5 is neutral, which you're not full, but you're not hungry and you're okay. 6 is you're full, you're satisfied, you're full. 7 is you ate too much, and maybe you feel a little uncomfortable. 8 is you feel very uncomfortable and really, like, But so the scale is like that, and so you want to stay between 5.5, which is more than neutral. Stop at 5.5 because if you just wait a little bit, you'll probably reach 6 in maybe 20 or 30 minutes. You'll feel like a 6 anyway, so stop at 5.5 a little bit before you feel full. And start at, when you get to 4, you can prepare something to eat. And then you'll be at 3.5 and 3 very quickly after that. Once you start to feel hungry, you'll quickly start to feel famished, you know? So you just gotta pay attention to your hunger, eat when you're hungry, and as you're eating, I was thinking, am I hungry? Am I hungry? Am I hungry? Am I 5.5 or am I a 6? Where am I? And then I would stop when I'm not hungry anymore, and I found that I could go a lot of hours without actually feeling real hunger. So I've been doing that. I lost 1 kilogram in 2 days, but I'm going to keep you informed and let you know how it goes, and any more information, like really I think that's information that's really important that I want to share with you. I will share with you in my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Bye!